We do what we have to do with the requests over here.
As of August 1st, Canadians who want to bring their dogs to the U.S. will have to follow new guidelines from the CDC, all in order to help prevent rabies.
The rabies vaccine is something that the States is taking a lot more seriously now, and I definitely agree with it. All animals should be vaccinated for rabies before they do travel.
The new rules require all dogs entering the United States to be at least 6 months old enough to be vaccinated if required, and for the shots to take effect, have a microchip placed under their skin with a code that can be used to verify rabies vaccination and have completed a new CDC import form.
I think it makes a lot of sense. We've already been doing this for many, many years, but it wasn't as well regulated, I would say. So definitely before an animal travels, they should come in to see their veterinarian for a physical exam. We need to make sure they're not ill in any way, they don't have any transmissible diseases or contagious. And also that it's safe for the pet to travel. It's not all animals that should take a flight. After we do that, we come up with a health certificate where we write down that they're ready and safe to fly.
Dr. Beatriz Gomez, a veterinarian at Liesse Animal Clinic in Dorval, says microchipping is essential.
Microchipping is also mandatory right now, which also makes a lot of sense to me in order to make sure we have an identity to the animal that can't be lost. It's a little chip that goes right under the skin, around the scapula, behind the neck. So very simple, very easy procedure to do, but it's something that they can keep with them forever.
I think it's great. I think dogs need to be vaccinated and have the microchip. My dogs have all that. He also has a passport, so I think it's great.
Upon arriving in the U.S., dogs must also appear healthy, something that hasn't changed from prior guidelines. One Montrealer, who was originally from France, ensures that they are prepared before travel.
Need to go on the vet every time we fly, but it's the rules, and when we know that, it's okay.
This update applies to dogs brought in by breeders, rescue groups, and pets traveling with their U.S. owners. Additional restrictions and requirements might arise based on where the dog has been in the previous 6 months. This includes blood testing from CDC-approved labs.
Our dog is already had those, requests, but just for us, just to make sure that he's fine. So I think it's okay if they ask for that.
To have a dog, you need to have a bigger heart because it's not easy.
In Montreal, Adriana Gentile, City News.